Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be studying direction of friction force example 3. So we have two blocks here, M1 and M2 kept over one another, and force and M2 block is being pulled by a force F. We are given the coefficient of friction mu1 and mu2, and the masses of the block are 3 kg and 5 kg. 3 kg and 5 kg. We have to calculate the F maximum that is required for the mass and for the whole system to move forward. What is the F required? And we also have to calculate what would be the acceleration of the system. So I will first draw the free body diagram of this. So we'll have the weight of the objects, that would be M1G and M2G. Then we will have a normal reaction, that would be equal to N1 N1 equals to normal reaction over this surface would be M1G plus M2G. Then normal reaction on this surface, that would be equal to M2 equals M2G. So, and then if this block is moving in this direction, there will be a friction force in this direction. There will be a friction force in this direction, and there will also be a friction force which is being applied on M1. M1, there will be a friction force on M1 in this direction. So the three friction forces are FFR1, FFR2, and FFR3. I'll name this one 3 and this one 2. Now what is FFR1? FFR friction force 1. That would be equal to N1 times mu1. M1G present to G. mu1. Then what would be the F friction 2 would be F friction 2 would be N2 mu2. N2 mu2. That will be equal to M2G mu2. Then F friction 3 would be N2 mu2. Again N2 mu2. That will be equal to M2G mu2. So we have found the values, the expressions of all the three friction forces as shown here. Now after that, We have to find the acceleration of the system. Acceleration equals to F net by m2 by m1, F net by m1 plus m2. That will be equal to F aiding minus F opposing, as we all know. F aiding minus F by m1 plus m2. Now F aiding equals, we have F aiding equals F minus F frictional over m1 plus m2. F minus F frictional over m1 plus m2. Then we have acceleration equals F minus m1g plus m2g mu 1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the acceleration value. We don't know what the f value is, f max value is. To find that, to find this f, and this in red, to find this f, we have to calculate the free body diagram of m1. So looking at m1 only, we have acceleration A equals F net on m1 by m1, F net on m1 by m1 equals F friction. So if we look at here, there are two forces acting on m1, F friction 2 and F friction 1. F friction 2 is aiding and F friction 1 is opposing. So we have F friction 2, this one, minus this one, F frictional 1 divided by m1. So this is our acceleration from here. Now if we know these all three values, that is, I'll write here, acceleration equals acceleration 2 is m2g mu 2 minus acceleration 1 m1g plus m2g minus g times m1 plus into mu1 divided by m1. Now we put the values of m2g mu2 m1 plus m2 and m1 and mu1. mu1 is 0.2. We will get acceleration value as 4.57 meter per second square. 4.57 meter per second square. So that's the value of acceleration that we have got. Now we can put this value. This value is put in 1 in equation. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Substituting A in 1, we get substituting A here, we will get, and isolating F here, we will get here the expression F equal to A times M1 plus M2, A times M1 plus M2 plus M plus G times M1 plus M2 times mu1. So we have A times M1 plus M2 plus G times M1 plus M2 plus mu1. Now this would be equal to acceleration is equal to 4.57. M1 plus M2 is 8 kgs plus G is 9.8. M1 plus M2 on G is 8 kg and mu1 is 0.2. Now if you calculate this, this will be calculated as, this will give the answer as 52.3 Newton. 52.3 Newton. So this is our F maximum value. This is our acceleration. So this is our acceleration value is here 4.57. F maximum value is the value at which the maximum force that can be applied so that the whole system moves together towards the right. And with what acceleration it will move? It will move with acceleration 4.57. So that was all for today, guys. You can look at the board and take notes of this. That was all for today. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it among your friends. Thank you.